Right, so looking at this BIMDAS equation, we're going to start on the left and put in any invisible maths we have. So this says -4, and then it says minus nothing multiplied by -5. So where there's a nothing, that doesn't make any sense, so we have to put in the 1. So now it says -1 multiplied by -5, which makes sense. Next we have plus nothing, bracket means multiplied by -1. So again, that doesn't make sense, so we put our 1 in here. So that's plus 1 multiplied by -1. The next one then, we have minus nothing multiplied by -2. So again, we need to put the 1 in. Okay, so next line down is where we get rid of all the brackets and make them multiplies. So we have -4 -1 multiplied by -5. Now I'm here, so plus 1 multiplied by -1. And then the last multiplication is -1 multiplied by -2. So I have additions and subtractions and multiplications, and the multiplications will win out because of BIMDAS. So we don't have any brackets, we don't have any indices, so then multiplication is next. And if we have a number of multiplications, we do the multiplications from left to right. Okay, so the first multiplication is here. And it multiplies, obviously, the number in front of it by the number after it. The number in front of it is a -1. So you have to make sure you take the minus with the 1, because that 1 owns that minus. And the number after it is a -5. Okay, so we have the -4 that's here at the front. And then we do this multiplication. So 1 times 5 is 5. And then we have two signs that are the same and we're multiplying. So when you're multiplying and signs are the same, you get a plus. Okay, so then here's the next multiplication sign, and that's going to multiply again the number in front of it and the number that comes after it. The number in front of it is a +1, and the number that comes after it is a -1. So again, do the multiplication. 1 times 1 is 1, and here we have different signs multiplied, and when you multiply different signs, you get a minus answer. And then the last multiplication multiplies the number in front, which is -1, by the number at the back, which is -2. So the 1 by the 2 is 2, and then signs are the same, so when you multiply the same signs, you get a positive answer. Okay, so then all the multiplications are gone, so we're down here now in add, subtract, and addition, subtraction is just done again from left to right. So the first one we're going to do is here, which is -4 plus 5. So here the signs are different. It's addition, subtraction, there's no multiplication. The signs are different, so we minus the numbers and we keep the sign of the bigger number. And then write the rest of the sum down, which is -1 plus 2. Again, we have a series of adding and subtracting, so we do it from left to right. So here we have different signs, so we subtract the number and keep the sign of the bigger number. Neither number, they're both 1s, so that's just a 0, and then write down the rest of the sum. And then 0 plus 2 is 2, which is what I said the answer was up here. Hope that helps.